Welcome to another section of electromagnetic theory, and today's topic is Cartesian coordinate. In this section, we will learn about a coordinate system that is majorly used to specify the location of any position in space with respect to a reference origin. Let's consider an example. In the figure, we can see three major axes and a block on the space. Now, if we see this from this angle, z axis is unseen and xy plane is visible. At this point, the height of the block from x-axis is the value of y point on the plane. Now let's change the angle so that the x-axis is unseen and yz plane is visible. So we can see the width of the block determines the z point of this plane. And finally, to determine the point x on the plane, we consider the distance of the point from y-axis. The next topic is types of coordinate system. I want you to remember there are three types of coordinate system, which are Cartesian coordinates, cylindrical coordinates, and spherical coordinates. The first type is Cartesian coordinate. Cartesian coordinate system is also called rectangular coordinate system that provides a method of uniquely identifying the position of a point on two-dimensional plane x and y surface or in a three-dimensional 3D space with x, y and z. In a 2D plane, let's consider a point P on the first quadrant. Now if we plot the lines on x-axis and y-axis from this point, we can see the distance from the origin of this point which determines its location, that is P 2, 3. Similarly, taking a point Q on the second quadrant, in this case the value of x becomes negative, which specifies its location Q minus 3, 1. Like this, the points on the third and fourth quadrant is located. In 3D space, a third axis is present, which is known as z-axis, that is also perpendicular with both x and y-axis. The next topic is Cartesian coordinates of the plane. In this figure, we can see that Cartesian coordinates in the plane can be specified in terms of the x coordinate axis, y coordinate axis and the z coordinate axis. In a plane, the Cartesian coordinates of a point are written as p, x, y, z. Here x is called the x coordinate as it is the signed distance from the origin which is directed along the x-axis and it specifies the distance to the right. Similarly, y is called the y coordinate as it is the signed distance from the origin in the direction along the y-axis and it specifies the distance above or below of x-axis. And z is the depth or the height of the point. In this figure, we can see the point has coordinates of p 3, 2, 5 as the point x is 3 units left, y is 2 units right and the z is 5 units up from the origin. Let us discuss Cartesian coordinates of three-dimensional space. In this figure, it is shown that the Cartesian coordinate system is based on three mutually perpendicular coordinate axes, which are x-axis, y-axis and the z-axis. Those three axes are intersect at the origin. This types of orientation is called orthogonal orientation. Again, a point has the coordinates of p negative 3, 4, 5, which means that the point is located at 3 units towards x-axis, 4 units towards y-axis and 5 units towards the z-axis, respectively from the origin. So in this section, we learned introduction to the coordinate systems, types of coordinate systems, Cartesian coordinates of a plane, Cartesian coordinates of three-dimensional spaces. So rewatch the video if required, as we will need it in our next class for the reference. We shall meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, study and have fun.